Forget complicated diet apps. We just tested an AI tool that builds personalized meal plans instantly. Here's how creators and freelancers are using it to stay healthy while working from home. Manual meal planning takes hours. iDiet tools analyze your goals, preferences, and restrictions instantly. Perfect for busy creators and freelancers juggling deadlines. These tools generate customized weekly plans, grocery lists, and macro breakdowns in seconds. No more guessing what to eat. Just input your diet and let it handle the planning. Start by choosing your iDiet tool, enter basic info, age, weight, activity level, and dietary goals. Specify restrictions: vegan, keto, gluten-free, whatever fits your lifestyle. The AI generates a complete week of meals with recipes and ingredients. Akuto gluten. Most tools sync with grocery delivery apps. Takes under 2 minutes total. You're done. Smart tools offer macro tracking, recipe scaling, and restaurant alternatives. Budget filtering helps freelancers save money. Shopping list exports save trips. Some integrate with fitness apps for real-time calorie tracking. Mobile apps let you adjust meals on the fly. Perfect for creators managing erratic schedules. Don't input unrealistic goals. You can't magic away physics. Skip overly restrictive plans. Sustainability matters. Verify recipes match your cooking skill level. Use tools with community reviews for meal variety. Check calorie calculations before trusting them completely. Start with a free trial before committing. Subscribe for tool reviews that actually save you time. With the what day you do? Drop a comment. Which tool are you trying first?